All right, we're going to be putting this on Facebook, YouTube. This is absolutely the 1st of November. Folks, let me tell you, this car right here will not last. It shouldn't last 2 or 3 days, folks. This is a 1998 Cadillac Sedan deVille. Folks, let me tell you, this car is brand new. This car, we've got paperwork showing where this car was $50,000 brand new. The people paid 50 grand for it, brand new. It's got a whopping 20,000 miles, 20,000 original miles. Folks, the folks had 2 sets of floor mats, 2 sets of floor mats. This is this is right from the factory. Absolutely, positively, give me a call. This is Spencer Hood at 478-718-1991, or you can reach me at the store, One Stop Auto Sales, 478-741-8009. This is a Cadillac Sedan deVille. It's got the chrome wheels. It's got the optional top with 20,000 original miles. We have the original 3 keys, both remotes. You will not find this car anywhere, folks. Cadillac Sedan deVille, right here at One Stop Auto Sales, 20,000 miles, original miles. As you can tell, this is probably the first day that it's been outside in over 20 years. This car's been garage kept. Give me a call, 478-741-8009 or 478-718-1991. One Stop Auto Sales, 2838 Gray Highway. 2838 Gray Highway, 478-741-8009, Spencer Hood.